by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning. I'm
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Chevy Malibu here. This one has this rocker panel damage down here. I'm actually going to replace a section of this rocker panel. You have to buy the entire uniside. The last thing left I have to do on this one before I send it to paint is this gets a chip guard. Basically the whole bottom of this rocker down has a chip guard, which is basically just a thick texture that helps prevent rocks from coming up and chipping it. So I'm going to scuff this up. Now I went ahead and ran a piece of tape right where I want this, and it's going to be right at the top of this tape. It's easier to lay it that way. Now I'm going to lay another piece and follow the top of this piece of tape, and then I'll peel that one off and I'll put paper up, and then I'll go ahead and apply my chip guard. The reason it's easier to lay the bottom piece of tape first is because I have to space it just so far down from the edge of this, and it's hard to visualize that without having something to walk off of. That's why I put that bottom piece of tape down to give me a guide.